Welcome back to our DREAM3D-NX tutorial series. In this video, we will cover downloading DREAM3D-NX and applying a license. First, go out to DREAM3D.io, and from there, you will download DREAM3D-NX for your operating system. Be sure to hit the correct download for Mac OS. The links are not universal between ARM and x86. Then you will need a license. You can obtain a free license if you are a student working toward a degree. For commercial purchases of DREAM3D-NX, you will go to our customer portal and buy a license from there. Here you can get a free 30-day trial or purchase the standard license. The standard license is $7,500 plus tax per user. Please read the end-user license agreement, then check the box confirming that you read it and continue the purchase of the license. Then sign in with your account or create an account to continue the purchasing process. Once you have a license, you will receive an email with the purchase confirmation, license ID and password. Then once you open DREAM3D-NX, it will prompt you to activate your license. Fill in the information for a free trial or fill in the license ID and password if you have a commercial or student license. Then click Activate. DREAM3D-NX will open when you close the licensing pop-up. You can access your licensing information by opening the Help menu and clicking License Information. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at DREAM3D.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.